Hey, how's it going, everybody? So this is my Manco Deuce, poor man side by side. I wanted to make this video kind of like an intro to my multi-part video on the project on this and everything that I'm going to be doing to it. And then a quick overview of everything I want to do to it. I want to replace the existing steering with a rack and pinion steering. This skid plate on the front, I'm going to be building a snowplow mount for it. And I've actually built a snowplow mount for my four-wheeler. And I made a video on it. Go ahead and check it out. Another thing I want to do, I want to take this front rack and put it where the fuel tank is. And where the fuel tank's mounted right now, I want to flip that bracket on the fuel tank so the fuel tank's inside the cage of the Gokart. Right now I've got two light pods and a light bar up on top. They're by Nightlight. You can get those on Amazon. And the drive system on this, it has a 780 series torque converter on it, paired with a Honda GX 620 V-twin. So it's pushing about 20 to 22 horsepower. The cool thing about this, it has neutral and reverse. Right now I've got some pretty big tires on them. These are side-by-side size tires on them right now. I think I want to go a little smaller eventually because I had to get this wheel adapter so the wheels are a lot more further out from the Gokart than I'd like it to be. I'd like to get the wheels a little closer in to the frame. Eventually we'll be replacing all four shocks with some more heavy duty ones. These are the original ones and these are wore out. Fuel tank, I got it from Amazon. It's an aluminum spun. The cap is invented, so in one of the multi-part videos I'll be making a video on tapping that fuel tank to put a vent on it. And this is equipped with rear mechanical brakes eventually, and I'll be making a video on that too. I want to replace those and put hydraulic disc brakes. Because right now with the setup it has with the mechanical disc brakes, you can stop but don't expect to sudden stop. Especially going 30 miles an hour, it's going to take you a little bit to slow down. And then eventually I want to get some more lights on it, and I'll be putting a toggle switch panel on the dash so you can cycle through which lights you want to turn on. Also, I'd like to figure out how to rewire the starter switch on the motor and put it towards in the cab instead of on the motor itself, because that would make things a lot more easier with starting it. Another thing too that I'll be eventually doing with this is putting a 2,500 pound winch on the front, so that'll be for the snow plow and whenever you get stuck or I need to pull somebody else out. It has a little hitch receiver on the back of it right now, but I'm either going to take that off or leave it and put a 2-inch receiver on the back of it. And I'll be making another video on a little utility trailer I'll be building to pull behind the four-wheelers and the Gokart too. But that's just a few of the things that I'll be doing with this Gokart. I've got a whole lot of other videos coming up, plus the multi-part video of this. But go ahead and hit like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. It'll let you know every time I come out with a new video, especially my multi-part video. I'll be coming out with this. Till then, we'll see you guys.